looking at the sound eh in our phonics lesson, we are going to be cracking some eggs in the kitchen. Do I have some friends who can help me with the eggs?
Yes!
Off we go.
Eggs in the pan, eh, eh, eh. Eggs in the pan, eh, eh, eh. Eggs in the pan, eh, eh, eh. Crack the eggs like this, eh!
There we go, boys and girls. I have the eggshells that I can keep, but I could make all sorts of things today. I could make some scrambled egg, a fried egg, or even bake some cakes. You decide what you want to do with your eggs today, boys and girls. If you don't eat eggs, boys and girls, you could put the egg in a jug and use your eggshells to make something decorative and creative. You might even want to paint the outside of your shells. Hope you have fun with your eggs today, boys and girls. Bye-bye.
Eggs in the pan, eh, eh, eh. Eggs in the pan,